Hey everybody, welcome back. We are going to check our review from yesterday. So we'll go ahead and do this together. Make sure that when you do the quiz tomorrow, you include your first and last name, what period you're in. I'm just going to say I'm part of period 1. For the listening, so we clicked on the file. It told us the story. What did Daniel White dream of becoming? He dreamed of becoming a painter. Okay, he dreamed of becoming a painter. Daniel was a bad painter. False or true? That was true. He was not a good painter at all. How long did Daniel practice painting? Daniel practiced painting for 1 year. Again, I'm repeating that question in my answer, okay? You can put 1 year, but if I were you, try to start practicing putting the question in the answer. Daniel practiced painting for 1 year. That's my answer right there. What does Daniel want to try after giving up on painting? Daniel wants to try rock climbing. It's when you climb rocks. All right, filling in the blank. He really wants to how to play the guitar. He really wants to learn how to play the guitar. This involves when you're trying to get good at something, you're trying to learn something, know how to do something. So this kid wants to learn how to play the guitar. One of hers is to get all A's. One word I could put in here is goals. And we know one of our words that means goals is target. So one target of hers is to get all A's. Target is a goal. It's something that you want to do. Andy is putting a lot of in being a good student this year. He is trying hard. He's putting in a lot of effort. She made a big by leaving the door to the house open all day. That's not good. It's a mistake. If it's not good, it's probably a mistake. This is why you do something. It's not attitude. It's not improve. It's actually motivation. Motivation is why you do that one thing. Is it for money? Is it for fame? Is it for love? Is it for success? Why are you doing it? Number 10, this word means being correct. Winning and having good things happen, that's going to be success. When you're getting better at something, so getting better, you are trying to improve. And this word means the way you think or feel about something. Well, the way you think or feel about something, that is going to be attitude. Our story is right here. You can click to listen, read it. What is one reason why Lee hates camping? It's not the food. He doesn't talk about the food. He doesn't hate his family, so it's not his family. And he doesn't really talk about the weather. It's actually going to be the bugs. He does not like the bugs. They bite him. What did Lee hate the most? So not just not like, but what did he hate? The number one thing he didn't like? Well, he didn't like bugs, but it was not the most. He didn't like sleeping bags, but it was not the most. In fact, it was bears. It actually says right here, most of all, he hated the bears. So that's the number one thing he hated. Did Lee's attitude change about camping? It actually did. His dad took him out in the woods, and he decided that he actually kind of thinks it's okay. Do you want to go camping? This is your opinion. You will get the correct answer whichever way you answer. I'm just going to say yes. I want to go camping. I want to do a complete sentence. And then race. Is Jackie good at taking care of pets? All right, so here's our R. Jackie is not good at taking care of pets. So I have Jackie is good at taking care of pets. So this is the question. Now I'm going to put the answer in. So I'm going to say not good or Jackie is bad at taking care of pets. Then you need to say, pardon me, I'm about to sneeze. Excuse me. Next is cite, meaning what does the story say? So I'm going to say, in the story, Jackie's fish and bird died. Or in the story, it says Jackie's fish and bird died. Does that make her a good pet owner? No. So I'm going to just finish up by saying this. This means that Jackie is bad at taking care of pets. And there's my E. Explain it. All right. If two animals die, that means that Jackie is bad at taking care of pets. And that's it. That's our example. That's what this quiz was. That's what the quiz tomorrow will look like. It's going to be different questions, but it's going to look the same. Okay? So make sure you study if you haven't. So after you're done watching this video, what you're going to do, so this is the checking the review. In a second, and we'll have the video on here. You're going to go to think about it. What part of the review did you do well? Did you do well with the words? Did you do good with the listening? Did you do well with the reading or the writing? And then which part of the review can you do better with? I don't know. Maybe I can do better with the vocab. I don't know. After you're done answering that question, you're going to go to the review games. Pick one. You don't have to do all three. If you want to do all three, okay. But pick one. You can do Kahoot with the definitions of the words, Gimkit with the example sentences, or Quizlet with the definitions. I don't care which one you do. Play it once, and then do your exit ticket. So after seeing the correct answers to the review and doing a review game, how do you feel about tomorrow's quiz? Do you feel good? Do you feel bad? Do you feel okay? What do you feel like for tomorrow? Okay? That's all from me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and email me. Good luck studying tonight. You're going to do great on the quiz tomorrow. Adios. Goodbye.